Let's kick off our pumpkin adventure with the mesmerizing art of harvesting. You see, timing is the magic ingredient here. Did you know that a pumpkin is ready for picking when its skin boasts a consistent deep hue? But that's not all. Keep an eye on the stem. Once it starts to dry out and crack, you know it's time. A truly mature pumpkin is about to grace your presence. As we step into the harvesting arena, don't forget to arm yourself with the right tools. A sharp knife or pruning shears are your partners in this pumpkin journey. A precise, clean cut minimizes damage and the risk of infection, ensuring your pumpkin stays fresh for longer. Now, let's explore the gentle art of cutting. Imagine it as the pumpkin's graceful exit from its vine sanctuary. The key lies in making a tender slice, leaving a few inches of stem intact. That stem isn't just an aesthetic element, it's a functional marvel. It acts as a natural fortress, fending off moisture and disease. The stem's thickness plays a role in determining the pumpkin's resilience over time. Our journey through harvesting wouldn't be complete without a word on handling. Treat your pumpkins like the precious gems they are. Even a slight bruise can lead to untimely rot during storage. By giving them the royal treatment, you ensure a longer and healthier lifespan for these autumn gems. Now that our pumpkins have been carefully harvested, let's delve into the enigmatic world of curing. Think of it as a rejuvenating spa day for these vibrant orange wonders. The outdoor cure, where they bask in the sunlight and dry air, is the secret ingredient. This process, spanning around 10 to 20 days, not only toughens their skin but also acts as a natural healing process, bidding farewell to those minor cuts and scratches. And now, let's talk about the meticulous art of pumpkin storage. The initial step is selective picking. Choose pumpkins that are free from any visible blemishes. This small gesture can significantly extend their shelf life, ensuring they remain fresh and vibrant. Let's delve into the temperature and humidity dynamics. Hunt for a cool, dry corner with adequate ventilation, ideally maintaining a temperature of around 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Did you know that maintaining these ideal conditions is akin to granting your pumpkins a rejuvenating retreat, preserving their natural freshness and warding off premature aging? It's like gifting them a mini spa experience. The importance of spacing cannot be overstated. Allow your pumpkins room to breathe by situating them on shelves or pallets. Adequate air circulation is the key to avoiding hidden pockets of moisture or heat that can lead to decay. Oh, and here's an interesting tidbit. No contact means no accelerated decay. Regular inspection might seem mundane, but it's a pivotal part of the process. Periodically check for any signs of spoilage and promptly remove any rogue pumpkins to prevent the spread of decay. A little vigilance can go a long way in safeguarding your pumpkin treasure trove. Finally, let's talk rotation. Yes, pumpkins enjoy a little rotation action too. Just like flipping a mattress, it ensures even aging and pressure distribution. By rotating your pumpkins at regular intervals, you're ensuring a collection that maintains its freshness and longevity. The journey to growing pumpkins begins with selecting the perfect spot. Choose an area that receives plenty of sunlight. Pumpkins love the sun. But did you know that this sunshine actually fuels their rapid growth? Yep, they can expand several inches in a single day under optimal conditions. Now, onto preparing the soil. Pumpkins thrive in nutrient-rich soil, so add compost or organic matter to give them a hearty meal. And speaking of nutrients, did you know that the large leaves of pumpkin plants play a crucial role? These leaves act as shade for the growing pumpkins, protecting them from sun scald and maintaining moisture levels. Time to get those hands dirty. Plant your pumpkin seeds about 1 to 2 inches deep in well-draining soil. And here's where the magic of vine wonders comes into play. These seeds will sprout into vines that can stretch up to an impressive 30 feet. Just imagine the sprawling growth from a tiny seed. Regular watering is essential, especially during the early stages. But remember, overwatering can lead to rot, so maintain a healthy balance. As those vines begin to grow, watch for the flower dynamics. The male flowers appear first, attracting pollinators like bees. They're followed by the female flowers, which have the potential to become pumpkins after successful pollination. And speaking of pollination, did you know that buzzing bees are key players in this game? Bees transfer pollen from male to female flowers, enabling them to set fruit. It's like nature's very own collaboration for pumpkin growth. To ensure successful pollination, you might even consider lending a helping hand. Gently transfer pollen from the male flowers to the female ones using a small brush. This guarantees that the bee's buzz will lead to fruitful success. As your pumpkins grow, you'll notice a wonderful variety of colors. Beyond the classic orange, pumpkins come in shades of white, green, yellow, and even blue. Each hue offers its own unique beauty and taste. Ah, the excitement of seeing your pumpkins reach impressive sizes. In fact, some growers engage in friendly competition to cultivate record-breaking giants. The current world record stands at over 2,500 pounds, a testament to the incredible potential of pumpkin growth. When the time is right and your pumpkins are fully grown, it's time to harvest. Cut the stem, leaving a few inches attached to the pumpkin. This stem plays a crucial role in preserving the pumpkin's freshness during storage. Beyond carving and pies, pumpkins offer versatile uses. They can star in soups, stews, roasted dishes, and even beverages like pumpkin spice lattes. Don't forget those nutrient-rich pumpkin seeds, a wholesome snack when roasted. Remember to maintain nutrient-rich soil for your pumpkins. This nutrient supply is like a gourmet meal for your plants, ensuring robust growth and healthy fruit. The most important thing in carrot harvesting is timing, a crucial factor in the world of carrot harvesting. Carrots are ready to be harvested around 60 to 75 days after planting. However, did you know that the flavor of carrots can be enhanced by the chill of fall and early winter? A light frost prompts the conversion of starches into sugars, making your harvest even sweeter. Before the harvest, it's important to prepare the soil. Using a gardening fork or shovel, gently loosen the soil around the carrot tops. This creates a loose bed for your carrots and ensures that you can lift them from the ground without any damage. With the soil prepared, it's time for the delicate task of removing the carrots. Hold onto the carrot tops near the crown and gently pull while wiggling the carrot slightly. The soil you loosened earlier will make this process smoother. Here's a remarkable fact. Carrots release terpenoids, natural defense compounds that deter pests. This natural phenomenon contributes to the distinct earthy aroma of freshly harvested carrots. As you unearth your carrots, give them a gentle shake to remove clinging soil. This step not only keeps your harvest clean, but also prevents excess moisture from affecting the quality of your carrots. Preparing your carrots for storage involves a bit of trimming. Leave about an inch of stem attached to the carrots. Although these tops are edible and offer creative culinary possibilities, removing them before storage helps prevent moisture loss. You've harvested, cleaned, and trimmed your carrots. Now, let's delve into the realm of storage. Your refrigerator's crisper drawer is the ideal spot, preferably in a perforated plastic bag or container. Now, for an intriguing storage hack, consider the sand method. Layer your carrots in damp sand in a cool, dark location. This emulates the soil's natural storage conditions, ensuring your carrots stay fresh and crisp for an extended period. With your carrots tended to and stored, it's time to relish the rewards of your gardening efforts. Whether you're enjoying crunchy carrot sticks, incorporating them into salads, or using them as a flavorful addition to stews, the joy of homegrown produce is immeasurable. Carrots come in various colors beyond the classic orange. You can find purple, red, yellow, and even white carrots, each with its own distinct flavor and nutrient profile. Carrots have been cultivated for thousands of years, but their original form looked quite different from the modern orange carrot. Early varieties had hues ranging from white to purple,